Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to invert an image in Canva. Let's dive right into it. Inverting an image in Canva can greatly enhance your design's creativity and appeal. Whether you wish to flip an image horizontally or vertically, or even change its color scheme, Canva provides several straightforward methods to achieve these effects. This guide will walk you through each step, helping you transform your images with ease and precision. To get started, you first need to log into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. Simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore the creative possibilities Canva offers. Now that you're in your Canva account, the next step is to select the project or design you wish to work on. If you haven't started a project yet, you can choose from a variety of templates such as business, social media, education, video marketing, print products, or you can start a new design from scratch by clicking the Create a Design button. For today's demonstration, let's say you've already chosen or uploaded an image to work with. There are several ways to invert an image in Canva, and I'll guide you through each one. First, to flip your image horizontally or vertically, click on your selected image. Then, look for the Flip option in the toolbar. Clicking Flip Horizontal will turn the image on its side, mirroring it as if you were viewing it from the opposite direction. To revert it back to how it originally was, you can click the Flip option again. Similarly, choosing Flip Vertical will turn the image upside down, creating a top-to-bottom inversion. Again, clicking the option a second time will return it to the original position. Now, if you're looking to invert the image's colors or adjust its saturation, click on the Edit option. In the Effects section, you will find various tools, including Duotone. This feature allows you to transform the colors of your image. For example, you can switch the image to black and white, or opt for vibrant shades like cherry, violet, blue, amber, mustard, or sea green. These options give you the flexibility to customize your image as per your creative vision. Once you've achieved your desired effect, sharing or downloading your inverted image is simple. Click the Share button located in the upper right corner. From here, you can download your image in various formats, such as JPEG, PNG, PDF Standard, or PDF Print. You also have the option to share your creation directly by copying the link for collaboration with clients or team members, or by posting it on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. Additionally, you can send it via email or WhatsApp as an attachment. A comprehensive guide on how to invert an image in Canva, right here on PMN Online. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to invert an image in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.